Hello friends, my name is Chitashri Amle. I am digital marketing trainer, business consultant, founder and managing director of Microinch Hub Private Limited. Today I am going to share an important details about the engagement objective. So today I am going to show you how to run the engagement campaign on Facebook Ads Manager and what kind of results you will achieve after completion of your campaign or in between of your campaign, what kind of results you are going to see. So this is a live campaign going on. So today I'm going to show you that how I have designed this engagement campaign, what were the strategies in this campaign, and how was the results of this campaign. So without wasting time, let's get started. If you have not subscribed to my channel and new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. In this way you will get the instant notification of my videos whenever my videos are up. And you can also follow me on social media channels like LinkedIn, Instagram and on Facebook page. Also I have started one Facebook group. All the links I will mention in the description box below. If you have any question regarding the digital marketing or this video, you can ask the particular question to me in the comment box below. And now let's get started. So this is our dashboard of Ads Manager. So I'm going to show you how I have run this campaign. So let's go to the campaign tab. So I'm here on campaign tab. Okay. So I'm going to show you that this engagement campaign which I have designed, and how was the results and how to check the results, what each results mean, what are the particular attributes of that particular results. So this is the campaign. Here you can see the objective. The objective was the post engagement objective. So this is the campaign level. You can see your campaign level. After that ad set level, now I want to go to ad set level. I can click here and go to the ad set level. Also here, from here also I can click on the ad set and I can go here. So I'll go from here, ad set. Okay, so this is the ad set level. Here we have set the budget of 100 rupees per day. So it's a daily budget. Now here I am getting the estimated results for 100 rupees daily budget. I am going to get 601 number of post engagement on my campaign. So these are the results which currently I am getting on this campaign. After that, on the right hand side you can see the reach, what is the estimated reach and what is the estimated post engagement for this particular campaign, and this is the post engagement campaign. After that, I have selected my area, I have selected the audience set. Now this campaign was for the people who are delivering the fish, home delivery. They are delivering the fish and they are providing the bulk orders in Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai. So what actually strategy I have designed for this guys? So they are selling the fish products online. These are the frozen fish products, and yes, so this is the audience set. I have targeted the area as per the given brief by the clients in which area they are delivering the things. Now mostly now this is the lockdown period and so many businesses are down, but some businesses are really doing good, like a grocery business or home delivery or online delivery business are doing well in this lockdown. So right now the middle class people are not going to spend their money on fish or on online order or something like that. People who are having a high income source can only spend their pockets on this buying the fish products in the bulk amount. So the rich audience we required to see that to see our campaign. So here I have targeted mostly the business owners, small business owners, then people who are interested in fish, sea products, who are doing the online shopping. So this kind of people are going to see my campaign, and they are going to click on the campaign and can give the orders. So here basically I'm trying to get the online orders from the people by showing them this advertisement. So I have targeted the limited people here by making this strategy. Also, the age group, you can see I have targeted here the age group from 30 to 60, because 30 to 60 age groups are the decision maker people. They are earning pretty well, so they can spend their salary, or they can spend their savings, because they might be having a good salary packages right now. So they can spend on these products to buy them. So I have selected this kind of audience here. After that, I'm going to show you the placements. The placements, I have kept it open. The ad is running on Instagram as well as Facebook, on both the platform. Now we will move towards the advertisement, how I have designed the ad. So I'm going to show you here only one ad, and this is ad 1. I have created basically 2 ads for them. So here I have created a beautiful slideshow of 5 images. Okay, so here I have written some content about them, that what quality of food they are giving. It's the name of the brand. In this lockdown, they are providing the home delivery across Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. I have given the mobile numbers. I have mentioned the rates on this slideshow, on this images. So if anybody wants to buy, they can directly contact me through the number given below, or here I have put one button, that is a message button, to them to directly contact me on WhatsApp number, so I can get the leads from there. So in this way, with the help of engagement campaign, we can generate the leads for a particular business. See, there are many different ways from where you can generate the leads for your business. The thing matter is you have to strategize a perfect strategy for a particular business. There is no importance of lead generation every time, because see, if you want to buy the fish, if you are watching the ad right now, so if I am watching the ad of mangoes right now, so I can see the mangoes and I want to buy it right now only. So I'm not going to fill the form, I'm not going to give the information to them. I want someone to talk to me right now, give me the best price, and I will order it in a second. So the fish is also in that same way. So here we are taking the orders on WhatsApp, so people can directly communicate with us on WhatsApp. We can share the product images with them, what kind of quality we have, what are our terms and conditions, what minimum orders we are taking. This whole information we are sharing with them on WhatsApp, and in this way we are getting the deliveries and orders on WhatsApp. So the thing is, we are generating the leads from engagement campaign also. So there is no need of lead generation campaign, because if I will run the lead generation campaign, it will cost a huge amount to me. So I don't want to spend that much amount. I want a lead generation with a good business in a minimum amount. So I have made this strategy, that with engagement campaign I'll go with this thing, and yes, it's really working pretty good. So I'm going to show you right now what are the results of this campaign. So here I'm going to click, so it will go back. I'll just click on this campaign. Now let's check the results. So the results are, post engagements are 4775, and the reach is around 13.5k reach. So you can see here what are the reach, and you can also see how many is the cost per result. So how much it's charging me for one engagement, and it's so minimum amount. And right now I have spent 123.33 rupees in this ad, and I have got more than 25 inquiries from yesterday. So I have run this campaign yesterday, and from there I have got 25 inquiries. So you can see that how I have created the lead generation campaign with the help of engagement objective. So no matter what is your objective, you should learn to plan the perfect strategy as per the business. So every yes, whatever the ad you are designing, that ad is also important. The results are also important. Also, you can run the message campaign. Also, I will also in the next video I will give you that with the help of how with the help of message campaign you can generate the leads. Basically here mostly I am focusing on the leads because leads are the things which are actually going to give us the business, and for the business thing only we are spending the amount and on the Facebook to generate leads and to create the sales. So hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions regarding this video or any other topics on digital marketing, you can comment below and ask me. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. And yes, also like this video and stay tuned with me on other social media channels. Thank you for watching this video.